Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here today to show you a box full of goodies that I got. I was in a ornament swap through No Catchy Name here on YouTube. She does crocheting, so it's a crocheting channel. But it sounded really interesting, so I participated in her ornament swap. And what it was is that you make an ornament and you send a card. That was the requirement. That's what you had to do. But if you wanted to, you could send extras. So that was the premise of the swap. So I got a box. I have opened it. I've already looked at everything because I was excited and I hadn't really thought about doing a video, but I did want to share because it was a very thoughtful gift. So anyway, here's the box. And it says No Catchy Name on there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what was inside. I got this beautiful mug. Beautiful mug. The teal color inside, love it. It's from the Pioneer Woman. Very solid. Very heavy mug, but I love it. So pretty. And then I got goodies. I got Werther's Originals. I got Taviv, black tea, apple and cranberry. And I got Nips, chocolate parfait, and the caramel, or caramel. I also got a 6-pack of fun size M&Ms. And I got a 5-pack of the Reese's. M&Ms and Reese's are one of my favorite candies of all time. And then I got a really pretty Christmas card. Really pretty. And then inside was this handmade ornament. Beautiful. This is going to go on my handmade ornament tree this year. So I will make sure to share that. But it sparkles. I don't know if you guys can see the sparkle or not, but very sparkly, very pretty. So I got that, love it. Like I said, it's going to go on the tree. And then what I'm going to show you now was so thoughtful. This gift that I'm going to show is very, very special to me. And she had on there, open up last. And this is what it was. She cross-stitched me a picture of George and Louie, my 2 parakeets. And of course, this is George, the blue parakeet, and this is Louie, the green parakeet. And that was just such a thoughtful gift. She finished off in the back. And I'm going to be hanging it right over there on the wall by their cage. And when I do my next George and Louie video, I will show this on the wall. But very, very thoughtful gift. So anyway, I just wanted to share the goodies that I got for the ornament swap, which was put on by No Catchy Name. I loved everything. My partner was Hattie. And I want to thank you again so much, Hattie, for all the goodies. George and Louie were beautiful. And I love the little ornament, and that's going to go on my homemade ornament tree this year. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I am using my new cell phone. I'm gonna see how the quality is on my cell phone, because it's a lot more convenient to use the cell phone than to get my camera out and everything. So let me know how this is for you guys also, and if it's something that is good, I might use my cell phone off and on. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching, for taking the time to watch. Make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you on the next video.